Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to demonstrate how to find and manage archive chats in WhatsApp. So let's just head over without any delay and get started. Open up WhatsApp for that. And once you launch the application, you can go over to the Chats tab or it will be on the Chats tab by default. So if you'd like to, first of all, archive a chat, you just need to long press on the chat. And when you do, you'll find an archive option at the top right. You can tap on it, and that should archive the chat, and you'll find the chat being archived. Now, if you like to view the chat, what you need to do is from the Chats tab, you need to scroll to the very top. And when you scroll, you will be finding log chats and an option called archive to view all of your hidden conversations. So you can go ahead and tap on it. And when you tap on it, there we go. These are all of your archived chats. If you'd like to go ahead and unarchive the chat, you can just go ahead and select those chats and look out for the unarchive option in the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on it, and that should unarchive the chat. And this is it. That is how you manage and see or view your archive chat. But if you do not find the archive option on your screen, what you can do is you can go to your settings, look out for the three dot in the top right corner, and tap on settings from the given options. Once you tap on settings, you may just scroll down and find the option for chats. And from chats, you need to scroll down and find the option for chat history. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, here, if you find the option to toggle the archive chats to on, you can just go ahead and turn it on. Right now, I have this archival chats, but you will be finding option for unarchiving it. And when you confirm it up, when you head back to your main page of your screen, you should be finding the archive section at the top, and that's it. So these are the way you can find archive chat in WhatsApp pretty easy and quick. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.